Hello YouTube and or Amazon. If you're looking at this camera right now in an Amazon review, I'm almost willing to bet that at least with a good percentage of you, it's because this camera has infrared night vision capability. And there aren't any current reviews on Amazon demonstrating what the IR is like. So that's what we're going to do in this brief video. Also, you guys on YouTube, you guys know that there will be a link to this item in the description, so you can go to Amazon.com and look at this item, possibly if you want to order one for yourself. Anyways, without further ado, we're going to get right to it. I'm going to kill my light source here. I'm going to unmount from the tripod. My light source is my headlamp. We're going to switch over to IR, and I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see, this is with my headlamp. Back here where I got my hammock hung. Spend all my time. Kill the light. Alright. This is the night vision on this camera. The two infrareds on the front of the camera light up and illuminate all of this. So as you can see, the IR is pretty good. Now it's pitch black out here. As you can see, things show up really well. Let's look over here. My Andaki rainfly. See how the writing shows up on that? That lettering pretty much matches the bag, but on the IR, this bag shows up white or silver. Andaki bag, like I said, it's dark. It's a dark olive green. The lettering doesn't show up quite so well. Not bad. Those infrareds work just fine, guys. That's awesome. Wow. Try to navigate here a little bit. I can see my trail. It's kind of creepy walking around like this, because if I'm not looking at the LCD display here, which is touchscreen also, by the way, I can't see jack. Wow. Almost creepy. But this is the night vision on this. Oh, there's my post right there. We strap a deer feeder to this post every year. And a game camera right across here to another one. Over here in the weeds. Because it doesn't get used until the wheat is cut. Is my fire pit. Not bad at all, guys. So yes, the infrared does work on this camera, and I'm very pleased with it. Now, the IRs don't have a real long range, but those cedars that you're looking at right here, that's at least 30 feet. These over here, that's 60 or 70 feet, those trees there. So they're doing a pretty good job. Very pleased with the night vision. Okay, I just wanted to go ahead and chime in here real quick. So I just got done filming, but I thought I would tack this on. The camera came complete. Everything was in the package as it was supposed to be. Very well padded. So it wasn't going to get damaged during transport unless somebody handled or mishandled the package very, very incorrectly. The camera's great. It works flawlessly. Everything it's supposed to do, it does. It came with the external microphone like it's supposed to, the stereo. It came with the hood exactly as advertised. It did come with both batteries. It came with the HDMI cable. It came with the charging cable, the USB micro, and lens cap, everything. It was completely just exactly the way they advertised. As you can see, it works really, really well. Impressive. So guys, if you're looking at this camera right now for its infrared capability, this is it. You're looking at it. Absolute thumbs up. If I can get my thumb in the shot, there we go. Go for it. $95.99 is what I paid for this camera. So as of now, that's what it's listed for. This is your infrared. It's awesome. Okay, for those of you who are watching on YouTube, if you haven't yet, you'd like to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button for me. If you subscribe, you will be able to select all notifications, be notified when I upload future videos. Questions, comments, hey, hit me up, drop those down below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will get another video out as soon as I can. I'm gonna enjoy this a while. Sweet.